Hey audio enthusiast, let me introduce you to your new go-to cable, the TRS 6.35mm to 3.5mm audio connector. This little guy is a lifesaver when it comes to bridging the gap between your old school audio equipment and your modern devices. Just plug the TRS 6.35mm end into your gear and the 3.5mm end into your device and ready to rock. No more adapters needed, no more fiddling around with different cables. It's that simple. So whether you're a musician, a DJ, or just someone who loves their tunes, this TS 6.35mm to 3.5mm audio cable is a must-have accessory. Get yours today and take your audio experience to the next level.
Damn all these views.